This isn't really a try new foods thing, because I've already tried it, but I just wanted to show you this Japanese milk-based soda thing. It's pretty good. It's like sweet, and it tastes like carbonated milk, basically. But it's sweeter than that, and it's really good, and I like it. This is gonna take forever. You only have 10.
Coffee. Cold coffee from Georgia.
Okay, so we're gonna press.
Which one we get you? Skull?
Yes. Wow, that was quick. Oh, you got change.
Excellent.
For some reason. Oh, I heard something.
Nothing?
Nothing. Okay, so this is it. It's white, as you would expect from literally milk. I'm afraid it's gonna explode for some reason. Well, it tastes the same as the other one. It's really, it kind of tastes like lemony. It's kind of lemony. It doesn't really taste like milk, except the texture is really milky. So yeah, it's sweet and lemony, sort of. This is what street in Kyoto look like. They're mainly little alleyways. They're pretty narrow, only really space for a car, maybe 2 people at most. Yeah, people's driveways are on the side. There's a big change, because Sydney had all of these really big streets, like, because it's a big city, right? And also, you have these vending machines just on the side of the road, which is also really different. I've never seen that before so far. Maybe we'll see it again. And yeah, so they're really interesting because you also have these sections where it's just someone's house, but then on the other side, you have a much, much smaller section where it's just a driveway and then a house on the other side. So they're organized differently, and it is a grid system, mostly. It's really cool. So this is what intersections just look like. It's an intersection, it's just 2 narrow streets crossing one another, but they also have strange telephone poles because, for one thing, they're not wooden, they're concrete, and they have plastic reflectors on them. Anyways, it's pretty narrow. There's a lot of wires here. I don't think there's very many in the ground, so I guess that's a good thing if you want to dig. I don't know why you'd want to do that. I mean, it's not that exciting, it's just a bridge, but oh well, I wanted to film it anyways. Alright, we have reached the trying food portion of this segment. We are in the market. It's enclosed, luckily, because it's raining outside right now. So I can use my camera. Yay! Anyway, spicy chips. Okay.
What do you think?
Spicy rice.
Oh, it is spicy. Water. Can you get the water out now?
No, we don't have any water. Which ones are those ones?
The more spicy ones.
More spicy.
Yes. Yeah, those are definitely worse. So this is a type of Japanese omelet pancake thing. It's made with pork and
Cabbage.
cabbage and stuff. I'm gonna try it. Yay! How are you gonna eat it? Pretty good. I like it. Although I don't think I got any of the pancake. I don't even know what this stuff is. It's like rice.
You get the noodle bowls.
Oh look, you can try it, Dad. This entire store is dedicated to different types of pickles. The entire store is dedicated to pickles. Pickles. So many pickles. This is a pickle. Some form of pickle. I don't know what it is, but it's a pickle.
It's spicy. Go on. Is it even a pickle?
Definitely a pickle. It's good.
Pickle
I like
something.
It's a pickle. I'm not trying to pickles.
Oh, it's like beet or something. It's like beet.
Fine.
So I think doesn't have
Don't touch your hand.
I don't know what this is, but I think it's beetroot. No, that's a pickle. Pickles. That's a pickle. That's. Well, it might be beetroot. I don't know. It's not spicy, so I'd rate it 10 out of 10. Okay, so the only thing that this says is spicy fish topping.
Put it in your hand. Don't touch your hand with the thing. That's way too much. You can't put it back.
I don't even know what this is, but it says spicy. It tastes like fish, but it tastes like the smell of fish, if you know what I mean. Alright, so this is probably the craziest thing we got in this entire video. These are octopus balls with cod mayonnaise.
And they're not actually, they're actually octopus inside this pastry, we think. And Dylan's gonna go first.
I am?
Yep.
Okay, alright.
Got it? Would you like to share your feelings with the camera? Once you can finish what you're eating.
It's hot.
Spicy hot or hot hot?
No, just hot.
Hot hot, okay.
Tastes like dough. Then I'm getting the mayonnaise. I'm getting the cod mayonnaise.
Yeah.
It's good.
You getting the octopus?
Not really tasting the octopus.
Interesting. Alright, let's see.
It's really good. I like it.
There we go.
Oh, there, I got a piece of octopus. Yeah.
A lot of dough.
There's like pieces of octopus mixed in with the dough. I think that's what they mean. Because I just got one.
Tastes yummy. I like it.
I like it too.
It's like hot sushi.
Probably
or
the
something.
craziest thing we're gonna eat in this video, so. Mom just tried the octopus ball. Mom, do you like it?
No.
She tried the octopus ball.
But anyways.
Balls does an octopus have.
No.
Alright, ready? Uh-oh. Stuff's hanging out.
Pretty good. If you understand me, I was eating that and my mind was like, oh, it's gonna be disgusting because it's octopus. But my taste buds, my stomach were like, no, this is good, eat more. I don't know what this is, but we can touch it and it feels really weird. Oh, weird, but cool. Okay, so I got this dumpling covered in sweet sauce. I think it's a bit too hot to eat right now. Oh yeah.
Let's try one.
Well, that is delicious.
Yeah?
Really?
Yes, it's delicious. Excuse me while I eat this whole thing.
What's it made of?
It's just dough. I don't know how long this market is, but it's certainly pretty long. Like, okay. This is a wasabi bean. Oh, get the water. Water.
Too spicy?
Water.
Which one's the side?
Actually, wait, no, it's dying down. Wasabi seaweed.
Look at me, I'm brave. I tried seaweed. Too hot?
Seaweed. Nah, it's not that bad. I like it.